Namaste friends. Like we have infused earlier, the soap nuts in citrus bioenzyme and water to get a beautiful all-purpose cleaner. Similarly, we can infuse the flowers, different kinds of flowers or even single flower into this citrus bioenzyme and water to get a beautiful, mild, colorful and fragrantful bioenzyme. We already have one video in which we infuse the flowers directly in the citrus bioenzyme, but that final product would be quite concentrated and harsh on our skin. But the one that we are making now will be very mild and gentle because we are using more quantity of water. That is, we are completely soaking the flowers in water and then adding little bit of the citrus bioenzyme as a starter culture. That is, we can add around a tablespoon of citrus bioenzyme to 1 liter of water used. So in this method, we first take all the flowers we have, then simply add water till they are completely submerged. And it is okay if it is little more water or little less. It doesn't make much difference. Okay. And then finally we add the citrus bioenzyme. Make sure all the flowers are well submerged in water by mixing them well and pressing using your hand. Here the citrus bioenzyme acts as a starter culture to initiate the process of fermentation. So the microbial activity begins and we allow the fermentation to continue for around 21 days. During this process of fermentation, various gases will be released and all the flower petals or herbs will start pushing upwards. So we need to push them down using hand or a wooden stick. This way stir all the contents well every day, and in the beginning it is better to even stir the contents twice a day, morning and evening. Once the content gets stabilized after around 21 days to a month, then we can filter the content and we get the final product as a liquid flower extract, which turns out to be an amazing flower bioenzyme to use for our skin or hair. We can add around 1 ml of the bioenzyme into 1 liter of water. That is, if we are bathing with 15 liters of water, then it will be 15 ml. And when we infuse soap nuts into this mixed flower infusion, which is mild in concentration, then we can make beautiful hand wash soap or body wash, etc., which will generate very good lather while we wash. So please start making these all natural flower infusions, which have amazing benefits for our skin and hair, and they are very simple to make. Thank you so much.